Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So we know the kids are home now because of the virus, right? So we know that they like these Roman noodles, okay? So on a previous setting, I made some steak, peppers, and onions. So I thought about it. I was going to make sandwiches out of all of it, but I think I would like to show you what to do with that for the kids. Okay, so you could use any meat that you have left over, just cut it up, okay? Or in my case, I cooked the peppers, onions, and sweet red pepper. And so now I'm going to cook these noodles, and I'm going to mix the noodles, the Roman noodles, with that. And I think the kids would go for it. What do you think? Okay? Alright, follow me along. Let's give it a try. See what they do. Okay. Okay, so let's put a couple of packages of the Roman noodles in here. This one's chicken flavored, but I'm going to leave the chicken package out because I have beef. But if you're mixing yours with chicken, then you use your package of chicken, okay? Just put that in there until it gets a little soft, and then I'll break it up. So I'm not putting a package of chicken broth in there. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for about 2 minutes. And I'll be right back. I'd like to give you a quick word of the day. The word of the day is, don't worry, everything is going to be alright. Because you are stronger than you think. Okay? Don't worry. Everything is going to be alright. That's the word of the day. Okay, so our Roman noodles have been cooking for about, I'd say, 2-3 minutes. I think that's plenty. So I'm going to pour that broth off of it. And then we're going to incorporate it into the frying pan that I have my steak, peppers, and onions. Alright? Let's do it. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to take it. I'm not even going to pour the broth off. I'm going to dip it out of the broth into the pot because I want some of that starch to work as a thickening agent to the steak. Okay, 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take our noodles and I'm gonna dip it right. Let me show you the steak. This is the steak, peppers, and onions that I cooked in a previous setting, okay? So I'm just gonna mix this in. The Roman noodles right into the steak. I'm not rinsing them. I'm not taking the starch off or anything. Okay. Okay, we're good. Now I'm just going to mix this in. It's a little olive oil still left in the bottom of the pan. Okay, now I'm going to add some beef base. Some beef broth. Mine is powdered. Okay, yours could be a cube. In that case, you'd have to dilute it first in some water. A little water. I always buy powdered because it's ready to go. Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm going to put a heaping tablespoonful of beef broth right in here. Because you know the package would have been beef had I had a package with the beef broth, but I didn't. I had a package with chicken, so we don't want to mix the two. This is something that you can make with the kids with your supervision while they're home. A little activity. Oh, that looks delicious, guys. Okay, I'm going to put that in a bowl for you to see. 1 second. Look at that, guys. Wow. Just mixing some leftover food with the noodles made it really like a whole different meal. Okay, so let me take a taste. Oh, you can't see me. Okay, guys. The olive oil and the broth from the beef base and the onions and peppers really brought the noodles up a notch, I must say. Oh, this will work with the kids. This will work. And that was just one package of steak that cost $4.50. I had 2 thin slices of steak that came in the package, and 2 packs of Roman noodles, 2 medium onions I used on this steak, and 1 red pepper. And if you want to see how I cook the pepper steak and onions, just go look at the video that says open face steak sandwich, okay? And you'll see how I did it. Alright, give it a thumbs up. Check out the links below. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And please, by all means, keep supporting me. I love it. Thank you. Bye-bye.